topic we have, it is the calculation of pH and pOH. That how we can calculate the pH and pOH of the given solution from the required data or by the use of given data. So let's have a look. We have the numerical number 1. So in the introduction, what is the main formula that we need to use for the calculation of pH and pOH? If we need to find the value of pH and pOH. So what is the main formula? So the main formula we need, first one formula we have pH, it is mainly the negative log of H positive ions. This is one. Next for the pOH formula we have negative log of hydroxide ions. Okay. At the end we have proved their sum of pH and pOH, it is equal to 14. So these are the three formulas that we can be able to use to find the values of pH and pOH, or for the calculation of the negative log of hydrogen and hydroxide ions concentration. So let's have a look the numerical number 1 for this. We have calculate the pH and pOH of 0.001 molar solution of nitric acid. So here we have nitric acid and its main molarity we have 0.001. So we need to calculate. So for the solution, first of all, we must write its chemical equation. Nitric acid, as its formula is HNO3. When it dissociated in the aqueous solution, then it is going to produce the ions like H positive plus nitrate ion NO3 negative. So both will be produced in the aqueous solution. So this is the main chemical equation. Next we need to write its concentration. So the concentration for given is 0.0001, 0.01 molar, and next we have the hydrogen ion concentration is same, that is 0.001 molar. So now we have to calculate the hydrogen ion concentration. If we need to calculate the hydrogen ion concentration, hydrogen ion concentration. So hydrogen ion concentration is equal to H positive ions and it is 0.001 molar. When we divide to by removing that, we will be able to write it into the decimal position to the powers as 10 raised to power minus 3. So the formula that we need to find the pH, it is negative log of hydrogen ions concentration. Now by putting the value of this 10 raised to power minus 3, we just gain pH is equal to negative log and negative log of hydrogen ion concentration, that is 10 raised to power minus 3. So here we have minus 3, it's the negative, and the log of 10. As we know, the value of log of 10 is 1. So minus minus, we have positive. So the pH will be 3 for this solution. So we have find the pH for this solution, and the pH we have, it is 3. Now we need to find or calculate the pOH. We don't know that what is the concentration of hydroxide ions. We don't know hydroxide ions concentration. So we can use the second one formula to calculate the pOH, and this formula is pH plus pOH is equal to 14. Now we know the pH. So we can find the pOH easily from this formula. By putting the values, we just gain pH we have 3 plus pOH, it is equal to 14. Now by rearranging the data, we gain 14 minus 3. So the pOH is equal to 11. So this is the whole that how we can find the pH and the pOH of the solution. So this is a simple numerical. Next we have the second practice for this, that how we can find the pH and pOH. For your better understanding, I'm going to solve here the second. Calculate the pH and pOH of 0.01 molar potassium hydroxide. Now we have the second substance, that is potassium hydroxide. So let's start the solution for this. Mainly here we have the concentration is 0.001 molar. So we need to write its chemical equation. So here we have the chemical equation like potassium hydroxide, KOH, as it ionizes in water and produces potassium plus hydroxide ion. So here we have the solutions in aqueous, and the concentration of potassium hydroxide we have 0.01 molar. Next we have the hydroxide concentration is same, that is 0.01 molar. We need to find now the solution. As the hydroxyl ion concentration we have hydroxyl ion concentration over there, it is 0.01 molar. So 1 divided by 100 we will be able to get, by removing this point we will get 10 point minus 2 molar. Now this is the concentration of hydroxide ions. We have the equation for pOH. pOH is equal to negative log of hydroxide ions. And here we have the molar concentration of hydroxide ions is 10 raised to power minus 2. So by putting the values, negative log of hydroxide ions concentration 10 raised to power minus 2, we will get 2. So the pOH for this solution is 2. Now we need to find the pH. So to find the pH, we use the second one, formula pH plus pOH is equal to 14. Now we know the pOH, but we don't know pOH. So this will be find plus 2 is equal to 14. Now pH for this solution, we will find it as 14 minus 2 is equal to 12. So here the pOH we have 2 and the pOH is 12. So this was the main topic, to find the pH and pOH and how we can apply this formula of pH and negative log of hydrogen ion concentration or hydroxyl ion concentration. I hope you guys understand. Now, if you guys have any question related to this topic, like if you are, there is the change of any substance, is there any change of any quantity of the substance, you may easily find this by use of this formula. You may have potassium hydroxide, you may have calcium hydroxide, or many others. So you just need to apply this formula properly. I hope you guys understand about this topic, and if you guys have any queries, you can ask me about that in the comment section, and I will get back to you guys soon, inshallah. For that time, have a good day and Allah Hafiz.